Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to install Apache Web Server and MySQL Database Server. Let's begin with installation of Apache Web Server. In the terminal, I'm going to type sudo apt get update. This command is to just update my repositories. It's done. Now I'm going to install Apache. Sudo apt get install Apache 2. Do you want to continue? Yes. Now, many of you would be thinking, why Apache? The answer is a majority of the websites in the world are hosted using Apache. Now, we're going to wait until it has completed its installation. Okay, I think it has been installed. Now, we're going to type localhost in the web browser. And you can see the Ubuntu default page. You can also type 127.0.0.1 or also your IP address 192.168.1.6. To know your IP address, go to the terminal and just type ifconfig. Now here, if you can read this page, it means that the Apache HTTP server installed at this site is working properly. So installed successfully. Now I'm just going to clear this. Now here, I'm just going to type netstat. This command is to see all the ports in the system. Now we're going to concentrate mainly on this port, which is the port 80. This is the port which the server depends on to listen from the client. It's listening, so we are good. Now, to just stop the Apache web server, I'm gonna type the command init.d/apache2 stop. Now here we can see that port 80 is no longer listening. Now I'm just going to restart the service again. For that, it's the same command, but instead of stop, I'm just going to type restart. You can start or restart. So it has been restarted. Now here, I'm going to just modify this file. For that, we need to go to its root directory, which is at cd/var/ww/html. ls to list the files in .html. Now I'm just going to remove this. You can modify, but I'm just going to remove it. And I'm going to create a new file with the same name, index.html. Nano is the name of the text editor. Here, I'm going to type a small HTML program. Welcome. That's it. We're going to close it. Control X, Y, return. Now come back to the browser and just refresh. You can see the changes have been made. This shows that Apache web server has been now we're gonna learn how to install MySQL database server. I'm just gonna play it the same way by just updating my repositories. You guys should have been known how to do it by now. That is sudo apt get update. It's done. Now I'm going to install my main packages. Sudo apt get install MySQL server, MySQL client. Yes. Now we are installing two packages, MySQL Server and MySQL Client. MySQL Server is mainly used to configure the database, and MySQL Client is used to connect with the database. Now we'll wait until it has been installed. This is going to take some time, so we're going to wait patiently. That's it, it has been installed. Now we need to start the service. For that, the command is sudo systemctl start MySQL. Now we need to enable the service, sudo systemctl enable MySQL. It's important to enable it because it would have been disabled by default. Now I'm going to check the status, sudo systemctl status MySQL. You can see that it is active and it is running successfully. Now let's go to the installation part. That is sudo mysql underscore secure underscore installation. You got a password plugin. If you want a password, just press yes. Then there are three types of password: low, medium, and strong. I'm going for the strong one. Do you want to wish to continue with the password provided? Yes. Now remove anonymous users. It means it would have created some anonymous users by default, and you can just remove them if you want. I'm going to remove them. Disallow root login remotely. This is important. It means it wants to access your database to a different computer using the root login. But for security reasons, I'm going to disallow it, and that's the same to you guys. Just disallow it because root login is the primary login and you can access anything from it. So I'm going to disallow it and I'll remove a test base and I'll reload all the privileges. All done. Now we're going to run the MySQL service. For that, the command is sudo mysql -u space root -p. Enter the password you had given above. Done. We are in the MySQL. Now let's just execute a simple query that is to show the databases. So you can see that the queries are executing. To return back to terminal, just type exit. Done. Now here we have learned how to install MySQL database server and Apache web server. Thank you. Hello guys, welcome. Today we're going to learn how to install Nginx server. Before starting, I'm going to tell what Nginx is. Nginx is an open source software for web servers. It can also be used as a web proxy, a mail proxy, a reverse proxy, HTTP cache, and also a load balancer. So let's begin. I'm going to type apt install Nginx. Do you want to continue? Yes. This command is just going to install the Nginx package. Now we're going to wait until this has been installed. Yeah, it's done. Now I'm just going to clear it. Now I'm going to enter cd/was/www/html. I'm going to ls, and here I'm going to create a new directory with the name host, mkdir host. Then I'm going to enter the host directory. Here I'm going to create a new file named index.html using the vim editor. So vim index.html. Sorry, .html. Yeah, now here I'm going to type domain 1 escape :wq. Then I'm going to come out of the host directory. Now I'm going to change the ownership of the host directory using the chown chown command. We can do that by using the command is run by chown -r space $user $user space slash var slash www slash html slash host. That is the file path. It's done. Now I'm going to come out. Now I'm going to copy the contents of a directory named default into host.conf. For that, I'm going to type cp slash etc slash nginx slash sites available slash default. I'm going to copy this directory to slash etc slash nginx slash sites available slash host.conf. Now using vim editor, I'm going to open that file by writing the same path, that is slash nginx slash sites available slash host.conf. Now here I'm going to make some changes. Those are, I'm going to insert the directory we have created, that is host. Then below I'm going to remove this index nginx w_html. Then here I'm going to type in the website name, that is www.linux.com, and then again linux.com. You can type anything you want, the website name you want, escape :wq. Then here I'm going to remove some file, that is slash etc slash nginx slash sites enabled slash default. Then using symbolic link, I'm going to connect the files. Those are this one, that is sites available host.conf, and the enabled file, that is slash etc slash nginx slash sites enabled available host.conf. I'm going to connect this file with slash etc slash nginx slash sites enabled. It's done. Now I'm gonna just check if everything is right using the command nginx space -t. Here we can see the configuration file syntax is okay and the configuration file test is successful. Now I'm just gonna restart the nginx service, systemctl restart nginx. It's done. Now I'm just gonna check my IP address using the command ifconfig. Here you can see it is 192.168.1.2. Okay. Now using the Vim editor, I'm going to open a new file, vm/etc/hosts. Here I've done it. I've done my IP address and the website name, that is .linux.com, linux.com. Here you need to write your IP address and the website's name. That's it. Now I'm going to save it. WQ. Now I'm going to open a web browser, and here I'm going to type www.linux.com. Done. We can see that it's successful. So Nginx server installation is successful. Thank you.